Hey, what's up guys, it's Gus with CALI Rebuildables, and I want you guys to check this out. Look at these guys. It's a 93 Jeep Grand Cherokee 4x4. It's pretty beat up, but what we want it for, it's perfect, guys. That's the damage on this corner. See? It's a 93, $50. Got the $150, guys. Tires are good, and honestly, what we want it for is, just cut it all up, because you want a car for Pismo and stuff like that. So basically that's all we want this car for. We're gonna put some, just cut it like I said, put some roll bars inside like a cage, remove the doors. You basically just chop it all up, just cut it all up, remove the tires, change the tires. We're gonna put paddles on the back, and those sand tires, I don't know what they're called, but use the front sand tires and the paddles on the back. Repaint it, paint it, and yeah, man, this is a nice little project. I'm really excited to start cutting this Jeep all up, guys. It's a V8, like I said. We're gonna keep it a four-seater. Like I said, we're gonna remove the doors, all doors. Try to cut the whole roof out, and maybe the back section, because the other side is pretty messed up. So yeah, guys, it's a nice little project. I'm probably gonna be showing just a bit of it, every now and then. This ain't gonna be our main project right now, but I think it's the best project yet, man. I think I'm more excited for these Jeeps than any other car, honestly. And for $150, you can't beat that price, honestly. Look at that, guys. I don't care about that, because I'm gonna try to pull the bottom section back and then just chop it. Just chop it everywhere, guys. It's pretty beat up. It's got 244,000 miles. But check these out, guys. Starts right up. Up. Nice little car, guys. Like I said, for $150, you can't really beat this, man. Let me know what you guys think. You guys think about, trying to chop this whole Jeep up and try to make it into like a car for the sand, for the dunes. What's up, guys? This is where we're at with the Jeep. Remove the doors. We're trying to remove the rear one, but man, I'm excited for this project. Okay, so this is what we did yesterday. Removed all the doors. Gotta find a way to pull that corner back. Okay guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about this project. See you guys in the next video. Hey guys, so I'm on the roof of the Jeep. We're gonna remove this thing made out of PVC. It's like a little rack or basket. It's homemade out of PVC. I got it loose already. I'm just gonna cut these wires for the lights and take it off. Okay guys, so this is where we're at with the Jeep. Chopped everything up. Getting there, guys. I'm still gotta cut. I don't know if I'm gonna cut down directly right here and then that way, or all the way down that way. I really don't know yet, but we have this thing all cut up. Pretty sure that's gonna be it for today, guys, for this video. Let me know what you guys think about this, and any tips that you might have, or if you've done something similar. Like I said, I'm pretty excited about it, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. See you guys in the next video.